Hi, my little ones. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, children. Okay. How are you? Fine. All of you say, how are you? Fine. Okay, good. Did you remember our last class? What we learned in our last class? All of you listen. Let us revise. What is this? This is standing line. This is sleeping line. This is slanting line. And the last one is curve. Again, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, curve. Okay. We can sing a song about these patterns. Standing line is standing straight, standing straight, standing straight. Standing line is standing straight, my little babies. Standing line is standing straight, standing straight, standing straight. Standing line is standing straight, my little babies. Sleeping line is sleeping well, sleeping well, sleeping well. Sleeping line is sleeping well, my little babies. Sleeping line is sleeping well, sleeping well, sleeping well. Sleeping line is sleeping well, my little babies. Slanting line is falling down, falling down, falling down. Slanting line is falling down, my little babies. Slanting line is falling down, falling down, falling down. Slanting line is falling down, my little baby. Okay, did you remember this song? Okay, we learned in the last class. Today, we are going to study letter A. What we are going to study? Letter A. A. Say aloud. A. Capital letter A. Small letter A. Capital letter A. Small letter A. All of you stand up. Then you say this letter A. Small letter A. Capital letter A. Okay. How can we write this letter? How can we write this letter? Listen. In our last class, we learned slanting line. Slanting line. We can use slanting line to write letter A. Slanting line. Which line it is? Slanting line. Slanting line. Then middle of this slanting line, we can draw a small sleeping line. Now it is capital letter A. Now it is, say aloud, capital letter A. Capital letter A. Then, how can we write small letter A? How can we write? First, we can draw a curve. Say, what is this? This is a curve. This is a curve. and standing line. Curve and standing line. This is, now it is small letter A. Small letter A. Capital letter A. Small letter A. Did you understand? Say with me. Capital letter A. Small letter A. Capital letter A. Small letter A. Do you know what is this? What is this? Everyone know this name. What is this? This is an apple. This is an apple. Do you know what is the color of this apple? What is the color of this apple? Apple is it black color? No. This apple color is red. What is the color of this apple? Apple is red in color. Apple's color? Red in color. Then what is the taste of this apple? What is the taste of this apple? Sweet. Oh, very tasty apple. It is very tasty apple. Okay. Red apple, sweet apple. Red apple, sweet apple. Okay. Have you seen apple? Did you eat apple? Okay. Sweet taste apple it is? Okay. Then, see, look here. Apple. A. Apple. Then I will say the letter sound. What is the sound of A? What is the sound of A? A. Sound of A. A. Once more. Sound of A. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Apple. Then the next one is, what is this? What is this? Ant. This is an ant. Ant. What is this? Ant. Once more. Ant. This is an ant. Did this ant bite anybody? Did this ant bite anybody? Okay, it is very painful. This ant bite me. This ant bite me. It is very painful. Oh, ant bite me. Okay, this is an ant. This is an ant. What is this? Ant. Ant. Say, what is the sound of this letter? A. Sound of this letter. Sound of A. A. Sound of A. A. This is apple. And what is this? This is ant. Apple. Ant. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Apple. A. Ant. The next one it is, what is this? This is an axe. This is an axe. What is this? Axe. What is the use of this axe? Anybody know? Can anybody say what is the use of this axe? I didn't hear. Say aloud. Say aloud. Yes, we are using this axe to cut woods. What is the use of this axe? Yeah, very good. We are using this axe to cut wood. Okay, you are very good children. Then, sound of A. A. What is the sound of A? A. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Axe. Once more. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Axe. Then the next one it is, what is this? What is this? This is an arrow. What is this? This is an arrow. Say aloud. Arrow. What is this? Arrow. And you know, for what purpose we are using this arrow? Anybody? Yes, we are using this arrow for hunting birds, hunting any other things, other animals, birds, like that. Okay? Understand? This arrow we are using for hunting animals and birds. Okay? Yes. Then this is an arrow. Once again, sound of A. A. Say with me. A. A. Then this is, say it in here. Apple. Very good. This one. Say. Ant. Good. This one. Axe. Axe. Then this one. Arrow. Arrow. Then I am going to sing a song. A for apple, A for ant, A for axe, A for arrow, A for apple, A for ant, A for axe, A for arrow, Did you enjoy the song? Did you got the sound of this letter? What is the sound of this letter? What is the sound of letter A? A. Sound of letter A? A. Apple. Apple. Ant. Axe. Arrow. Apple. Ant. Axe. Arrow. Okay, all of you, are you ready to read these words? These words, these pictures? Okay, apple, apple, ant, axe, arrow, apple, ant, axe, arrow. This is capital letter A and small letter A. Capital letter A, small letter A. You can sing that song again. A for apple, A for ant, ah. A for axe, A for arrow. Ah, 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 ah. A for apple, A for ant. Ah, 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 ah. A for axe, A for arrow. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, today we learned letter A. Today we learned letter A. Okay, all of you say letter sound to your mother and practice this song from your home. Are you ready? Okay.